What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Little rub around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left the center and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man and don't you hear it major song that I like that.
Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY Easter project. This one is trending. It's an Easter bunny, but the hashtag is Easter Bunny Challenge. So I picked up some bunny paw picks, headband, some mop pads, which are not really included on the project. Listen, I like to put a little twist to my project, so that's why I got these. Some Easter eggs, which I'm going to use these Easter eggs, and I'm going to use these Easter eggs as well. This is from a different project, Go ahead and watch those videos. And I'm reusing my bowls that I used from my candy project. So I have lights around here. I'll post a picture here so you can see what that project looked like. But I am reusing the bowls from that project. I'm reusing the eggs from this previous project because why go out and buy some more? For what? I explained all that in my Dollar Tree shopping haul, my live shopping haul, so go ahead and check that out. I have my hot glue gun ready, scissors. I have some Easter grass, hot glue sticks, all that stuff. And Mommy, you know how I do. As I go on,
Mommy, you're beautiful.
Thank you, son. As I go on, I may add some more items to this project. We'll see what happens. But before I get started, you know what to do. Say hey T in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, click the bell so you get notified each and every time I post a video. Share the video, don't skip the ads, and let's go. So you're probably thinking, how did I get these bowls apart? I got one side kind of lifted. So I just took my scissors and I went around and kind of broke up the hot glue, separating the two bowls. As I mentioned in my last video, you can choose to put whatever you want in your project. I'm kind of over all the candy and stuff. I've done so many projects and had candy in all my projects, mostly all my projects. But bath bombs, teddy bears, all that stuff. So we're going to do something simple with these eggs because, like I said, my kids get stuff every day. And there's no point to keep buying all that candy that they don't need, right? Okay, sweetie, so now that I have my eggs and grass in my bowl, which I was able to get it all the way popped open, I'm going to go back and re-glue the bowl shut. And also re-glue my lights around.
Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit.
I'm actually going to layer this the same exact way I did the bottom with my grass and my eggs. You can fill your eggs with stuff. You can do whatever you want. Candy, teddy bears, or little bunnies, whatever. So now that I have my bottom layer filled, I'm going to place a little bit of hot glue just to stick it on there. And this goes on top. I'm going to place a little bit of hot glue. Now, a lot of people are using the same paws. I could not find them at my location, so I got some paw picks, which I'm going to add to the bottom. But first, before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and add my fur and my headband. Now, we're doing this together. I did not think this through all the way. I just know that I want my headband to blend in with my mop pads. So I'm thinking about having a mop pad coming down the side of the bunny, because here's how it's going to be. Okay. Whoop. Ooh. I mean, I think it's cute like that, but I just want something a little different for mine. So I'm going to go ahead and probably just cut up these mop pads and have it the same width of the headband. So let's do that.
Situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, 'cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you for my girl. You say but you're so baby. It's okay, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to go. It's okay, girl. 'Cause I'ma be alright tonight.
Rock that, run that, this how we from. Easy now, no need figure down.
It's okay, girl.
Easy now, no need figure down. Rock that, run that, this how we from. Easy now, no need figure down. Easy now, no need figure down. Rock that, run that, this how we from.
Get it to die, get it to die, da 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 da. Get it to die, get it to die, da 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 da. Get it to die, da 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 da. Get it to die. No, money, yeah.
So a lot of my mop pad is coming off, and that's okay. I'm just going to go ahead and glue it right back on there. Okay. Two strips will do it, which means I want to say one mop pad will be fine if you choose to do it this way. But since it comes off like this, you might want to go ahead and just get two mop pads just to be on the safe side. Just in case you need to cut another piece. Okay, and I'm going to take my scraps, glue the section where it fell off at. Be very careful. Okay, so I have that side done. I'm gonna scoot this stuff out my way and go ahead and do my other side. I'm literally decorating myself right now with all this stuff. And you know what, y'all? I actually found some more lights in my creative bin that match the bottom, I think I'm going to go ahead and glue them on this part of my bunny. So let's do that first before I glue any more of the mop pad on. Now that I have my top lights glued on, I'm going to go ahead and add my next 2 strips of the mop pad down the other side. Hopefully these are good to me so I don't have to use the other one. Let's see, I see a lot coming off already. Let's see what happens. Okay, I guess it's not too bad. So let's go ahead and glue the next one on.
So busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you and me too. I was being now. I've been waiting, so I wanna make that move now. Baby, tell me if you like it.
Put that in the creative bin for the next project. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead with our bunny ears. We're almost done with this project.
Hey, bunny, buddy.
Bunny, bunny.
Bunny bear.
Y'all should see my pants. They're covered. It looked like it just snowed over here. Like that's how much mop pad is everywhere. Stuck to my nails. All right. So next with our bunny ears, want to kind of stretch them out a little bit. First, I'm gonna cut this tag off because it's really gonna annoy me.
Football.
Okay. Stretch them out a little bit, and they sit on there just like so. And we're gonna hot glue them on there. Super cute, right? Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Baby, tell me how you like it. I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. I know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Here is where you wanna be. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you and me too. And now it's me
Now our next step, sweeties, is to put our bunny paw picks on our bunny. And then we're done with this project. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, I tried. Give this video a thumbs up. All right, let's get our paw picks out. That one came out. There we go. All right. So I'm thinking we're just gonna do it like this. Or should I have it on the side? I think the side makes more sense. Yeah, there we go. Kind of lined up with the mop heads. I think that's cute, so let's do that. Alright, sweeties, here's my finished Easter bunny. I wouldn't change anything about it. I love how it looks different, you know. There's a twist to it, my own little TeeElle twist. So if you plan to try this project, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. Tag me in your videos and pictures on the social media platforms. All my social media names are in the beginning and end of all my videos, as well as in the description box down below. If you have any Dollar Tree DIY project requests, put them in the comment section. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it looks with the big lights off, the little lights on. First, what I need you to do, make sure you gave this video a fat thumbs up, left me a comment down below, subscribe, click the bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. Make sure you already shared the video, and also make sure you do not skip the ads. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. I'll see y'all in the next video. I am out.
Peace.
Peace.
She's not Dave.